guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is a little bit different than something I would do day to day, but since we're on this lockdown, I did want to try something out of my comfort zone. So this look is actually super easy and I only used one shadow, but I think this blue eyeshadow blown out trend is really cool, so I wanted to try it for myself. And what better time than to try it when I can't leave my house. So if you want to see how I did this easy blue eyeshadow, just keep watching. You guys, look, we are on week 4 of lockdown, which means week 6 of not getting my lashes done. Oh, I look crazy. Can't wait to get my lashes done again. That also means I can play with some colors and some shadows, since normally when I have my lashes done, I can't really do too many looks. And sorry if you can hear the outdoors, my window is open, just trying to get some fresh air since I can't actually go outside. Well, I can in my backyard, but you know what I mean. So I've already moisturized my skin and I'm just gonna go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to mix the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation and the Dior Skin Forever foundation with a B. You guys, this is the second time I've put on makeup in the past like four weeks. So hopefully I remember how to do makeup. What has everybody been up to during this lockdown? I am still working Monday through Friday, so I'm still working throughout the day. I have been obsessed with cleaning and organizing my entire room. I've gone through like almost every part of my room except for my closet. I've gone in like deep clean and gotten rid of anything that I'm like not wearing, not using. I just downloaded Animal Crossing 2 days ago, and I wasn't going to download it because I haven't really played it before. My friends were playing it and so they were teaching me, and now I'm obsessed and I can't stop playing. I've also downloaded TikTok, so if you guys have TikTok, go ahead and add me. My handle is JENNNNCHIU. 2 things I didn't think that I would ever play, but you know, here we are. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the Hourglass concealer and apricot underneath my eyes. Now we're just going to set the under eyes with some Kylie setting powder in yellow. And set the entire face with Wonder Beauty powder in golden medium. We're going to do my eyebrows off camera. Be back in just 1 second. So for the eyes, we're going to prime my lids with something a little different today. Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. We're just going to use that on a concealer brush. Apply that all over the lid, and the reason why I'm using this base today is it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and since we're going in with a colorful shadow, I really want it to pop. So make sure you evenly put this primer all over your lid, all the way up to your brow, and then also the outer edge, outer corner as well. And then what I do once I apply it is I just kind of blend it out with my finger, the edges. Now that you have that on, you're just gonna go in with your main shade color. The color I'm using is the Sugar Pill Mochi, which is just this shade right here. We're just going to use a flat shader brush to pack on all of the color first. So don't worry about blending anything right now. Just pack on the shadow color onto the lid, and then what I do is I just kind of gradually bring it up, so that way it's a little bit easier to blend later on. So it's gonna look a little crazy like that. Now we're just going to take a clean blending brush with no eyeshadow on it and just run it along the edges of your shadow. Really take your time on this so that it's nice and blended, because normally we would go in with like a crease color to help blend and fade everything out, but this time we're just going to use one shadow. Okay, so from here, I know it looks crazy, we're just going to go back and forth between putting some shadow on the lid and then blending it out. Okay, now that you have your blue shadow on, we're gonna just do our highlight, which I'm just going to take the highlight shade out of my Contour and Highlight palette from Smashbox. It's just a matte white shade. Apply that under the brow. We're gonna apply a little bit of black liner underneath, and I'm going to use the Milani liquid eye, which I need to sharpen. Okay, and then with a pencil brush, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the blue shadow on there and apply that underneath the lash line. Smoke it out a little bit. I'm just gonna use a little bit of a fluffier brush and really connect the under eye to the outer corner of your eyeshadow. I forgot to do my TikTok. Next, we're gonna just apply some wispy lashes that aren't too thick. Choose the lashes of your choice, but for my eyes, since I have hooded lids, if I put something on super thick and crazy, it's just gonna completely cover up my shadow. So something that has a little bit of space between your lashes so you can still see the shadow. All right, so I went ahead and applied my lashes, which are the Madame Wispy from Coco Lashes. Thought I was filming, but I did my cheeks, my bronzer, the blush that I chose. I think this is limited edition, but any neutral mauve blush will work. This one is Tarte Party. For my highlight, I went ahead and did the Ofra highlight in Blissful. I wanted to add some rhinestones off Amazon. Oh my god, these things are so hard to pick up. Cute, cute. Okay, so now we're gonna do the lips, and we're gonna do something soft and neutral since my eyes are pretty bold. I don't want to do anything too crazy. Let's do Stone lip liner. I love Chatty and ColourPop's Ultra Satin Lip in 951. Let's do a little bit of ColourPop Let's Cuddle in the center. Let's stick with her line and let's do the I Love Chatty and ColourPop lip gloss in Curvy. Alright, that is it for the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.